Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to easily add page numbers in a Word document. So let's get right into it. Here, I have a Word document and I'm looking to add the page numbers. First up, let's navigate to the Insert tab. Click on the Page Number button. Choose where you want the page numbers to appear. Top, bottom, margins, or at the current position of your cursor. I usually prefer the page numbers at the bottom of the page. When we select that, we get different style options. If we want the page numbers to appear at the bottom left corner or right, and if we keep scrolling down, there are a lot of different options, like if you want it with a total page count such as page 1 of 1, page 1 of 2, and there are a few fancy ones. I prefer the simple and classic bottom right corner. So I will go ahead and select that. Word will then automatically apply the page numbers throughout your document. Click Close Header and Footer, or simply press the Escape key to exit the header and footer view and return to your document. Now, if your first page is a title page like mine and you don't want a page number on it, here's how to fix that. Double-click on any of the page numbers to activate the Header and Footer tab. Once the Header and Footer tab is open, check the different first page option up here at the top. Now, the number disappears from the title page, but our second page is still marked as 2. To correct this, click Page Number, select Format Page Numbers. A dialog box pops up giving us a few choices. To change how your page numbers look, you can pick a format like alphabets or Roman numbers. Since we are happy with our numbering sequence, leave the format as is. Then there is an option to include chapters, which is not applicable in our case. We are here for the Start At field to set it to 0, which will tell Word to begin page numbering from 0 and make our second page the first numbered page. As you can see, pages of our document now starts with page 1 on the second page, just as intended. And there you have it, adding page numbers in Word made quick and easy. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or topic you want me to cover, please drop your suggestions in the comments below. See you in the next video. Take care.